Level 1. You don't apply for this job. You get called. Unknown number. 2:17 a.m. City Hall. Be there. Now. You think it's a scam. Still, you go. Back entrance. No guards. No cameras. A man in a gray suit waits under a flickering light. No handshake. No smile. Congratulations, he says. You're the backup. You laugh. He doesn't. He hands you a sealed envelope. Inside, a key card. A burner phone. $5,000 in cash. Don't use your real name again, he adds. Then he leaves. You stand there alone. You don't even know what you just agreed to. Level 2. The phone rings the next morning. No caller ID. Mayor's unavailable, the voice says. You're on standby. You ask questions. They hang up. An hour later, another call. Approve emergency road closure, 5th and Vine. You hesitate. Then you use the key card. It works. No one questions you. Not the clerk, not the police. Within minutes, the street is shut down. You watch from across the road. Black SUVs arrive. Something gets moved. Covered. Heavy. You don't ask what. Later that night, $10,000 appears in your locker. No message. Just money. Clean. Crisp. Real. You stop asking questions. Level 3. You get access. Not full control, but enough. City cameras, traffic systems, emergency alerts. Test them, the voice says. So you do. You redirect traffic across 3 districts. No one stops you. You shut down a subway line for 11 minutes. No explanation needed. Power feels quiet at first, then addictive. You start noticing things, patterns. Certain areas always off.